JowVideon.Xyz. That's what we'll be taking a look at today. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? Who knows? Let's look at some facts. Also, please do stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you a bunch of cool apps and websites that I've been using to make some money with. You can start making some money today with them as well. These are good apps for iOS and Android. As you can see here, this is one of the rankings here, 4.4 out of 5. All these apps have pretty good rankings, ratings, whatever you want to call them. So stick around for that. Also, please do subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog that you're going to want to check out and make some money. Pretty cool stuff. Anyways, let's get into this. So this website right here, JOW video, I don't know what, it's a weird name, but whatever, .xyz, making money easy, make money easy, whatever. So they claim that you could watch these videos here and you get like $5.50 for this one, $6 for watching this one, $3.50 for this one, and so on and so forth. However, there are some really big red flags that I'm going to point out for you. Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried this site? What your thoughts are? Have you been scammed by this site? Let me know about that as well. So let's take a look at some interesting facts here first. So first of all, the website says 2006 to 2020. That's kind of shady because this website was made on June 8th, 2020. And it's only July, like, I don't know, somewhere in July here. So only a month old. So that's a red flag for me right away. Next thing is here, where's that? Oh, they have no privacy policy page. They have no terms of service page. It's just, you know, a bunch of whatever. There's nothing there about that. They're asking you to register here with either this, or you can make your own use your email address. But let's take a look at some of the support here. This is kind of weird because, first of all, you have to ask questions on their support system in public. And these things here are just kind of ridiculous. And I'll show you why. Because here's a bunch of other sites, different URLs with different names that look exactly the same. There's a support page for this website. And there is the same questions, same look at the site, different website name. Same question, same thing. Different one right here as well. Again, and so on and so forth. So, yeah. They're just clones of one another, all these sites they have on here. Here's another one. So that's a big red flag. Very big and red flag indeed. And if you go to, where is it? Registration. Or not registration. But top payouts. Same thing. Look at this. Whatever video site. Go to this one here, different website, same payout things, same thing, different website name, same thing, different website name. Same thing here on this one as well, top payouts, all nonsense. And to get paid out, you have to have a $100 minimum, which does require you to watch about 200 some hours worth of video. And you have an option here, and they want you to enter your bank card number. Really? Come on. You can do Bitcoin, so on and so forth. So yeah, they want your information here. Like, I would not put any of my information in here. They are definitely very shady in their business practices and their way they're approaching or handling this. So I would definitely not recommend this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And let's take a look at some legitimate apps that I've been using that you can start using today. I have a bunch here, and I'm going to have links down below for a page that I have with all this stuff on it, so you can just find it very easily. Get $10 today. If you want $10 right now, sign up for this Rakuten. And basically, this is a website / app where you get money back on all your purchases. And then there's Dosh, same system. You get money back, and you get money for referring people. So let me show you some of that. That's like here. This is where is it at? So this is Rakuten here, the first one I showed you. Get up to 40% cash back at over 2,500 stores. No points, no fees, no forms. And like I said, you get $10 right today, and then you can refer people and get $25 for every referral you get. All kind of different stores here. So that is a really cool one, and they got really nice rankings on Google here. Google Play Store, 4.3 out of 5 with over close to 60,000 reviews. Same thing with iOS Store here. We got about 4.3 out of 5 on this one as well for the iOS Store. So definitely a legit app, definitely really cool stuff. Dosh is another app similar to that one, where you get money back and you get money for referring people and stuff like that. When you shop, you just get money back. It's very simple. You just sync your debit cards and your credit cards or whatever you shop with, and whenever you shop at one of these places, you're gonna get money back. It's couldn't be any easier than that. And like I said, you refer people and you get money back. And they got nice rankings as well here on the iOS Store. 4.7 out of 5. Very nice indeed. Android Store, 4.5 out of 5 as well. Over 40,000 reviews. So like I said, this is definitely some good apps that you can start using today. And like I said, there's a link in the description below. It's going to take you to a page like this, and you just have a bunch of information here on these apps. Here's Dosh right there. There's Ebates right there. I have a lot more down here, and I'm adding to this list all the time. Free stocks. You can get free stocks today as well. And free mining on your phone. This is an app that I've been using. It's called Pi. It's awesome, basically. And here's their website right there. It's invite only right now, so use my invite code. Yeah, that's it right there. There you got the 4.4 out of 5 on the iOS Store. So definitely really cool. They also have a node for your computer. So right now I got about 11,000, or no, 100,000, 113,000. Can't count right now. Pi at the moment, and this is mining all the time. I log in once a day and hit the mine button, and I'm mining at a rate of 59 an hour right now, 59 Pi. And these are people in my circle that you're gonna want to. The more people you have in your circle of miners, the higher the mining rate you get. So get into my mining right there, and you can check it out. So Pi, another really cool one. Let's move on. I'll just do a few more of these. Like I said, you can check them out on the website without me going into too much detail on all of them. I'll just go back to the website here. We got free food. Some of these are United States only, but some of them are different countries and everything like that. If you're interested in some side hustles, I got a bunch of side hustles here that you get information for side hustles and stuff like that, like 10-based home-based businesses that you can start today. Affiliate program search, over 30 profitable side hustles you can start today. Just all kind of stuff. You can make money watching videos, listening to music. I mean, $600 yearly listening to a service similar to Spotify. So you're gonna listen to music anyways. So use a service like this. It's a free service as well. And like I said, there's just so much stuff here. I don't want to keep too much of your time. Go over some of these again. I claim free stocks, like I mentioned, very nice indeed. Just all kind of stuff. I would definitely stay away from this this site here, the MQA video. These things are just too much shadiness going on, too much whatever. So I don't know. That's just my thoughts on it. Let me know what you think. Check out my other videos. Check out the link in the video description. Sign up for all these other sites so you can start making some money today, and then promote them as well. Promote those sites, refer people to them. And that's it. That's all I gotta say today. Talk to you soon.